Hello everyone, my name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Last video we have learned about the methods, HTTP methods, get, post, delete and put fetch. And I already created a last video. I have created some API, temporary API using JSON server. Okay, in the db.json, I have created some API and we need to integrate in our front end, and first we need to create UI. So last video I have seen in the postman some API I have created some API post and get API I have created in the last video. Okay, so first watch my previous video, then you will get more clarification on this. Okay, so last video I have used some postman. Based on the postman, using postman I am hitting some API, and I already created one JSON db.json file, that is the JSON server, temporary JSON server. And so we need to start it first. Go to the terminal. So what is the command? Node, no, some command, JSON server. Okay, JSON server, JSON server, JSON server space hyphen watch. Which file we need to watch? We need to watch db.json, db.json. So wait for some time. See, it's already started. Go to the postman and hit the command. What is the command? This is the post and this is the get. Localhost 3000, where this server is run in the 3000 port. Okay, and our UI running in the different port. First cut it. We need to run UI also. Yes, we have stopped this one. Clear screen. npm start. We need to start our UI. Okay, backend already started. Hit the API. First we need to get API. We need to hit get API. See, there are 3 records. Okay, in this get API there are 3 records. So we need to first create a UI and integrate them. So go to the UI code and close this file. It's already running. Okay, we need to run in the different port. Yes. Okay, so first we need to create one component folder. Components. Here we will create components, and we need to create a different folder that is called pages. Here we need to add multiple pages. So component, first we will create one file that is called navbar.js. In the UI, first we need to create a navbar in the top. First we will create one navbar. Okay, and another one file we will create that is called home.js. Home.js. Okay, so first go to the navbar, minimize this one, create a first component, import react from which one? React library. We will create one component. Component name is const, that is the navbar, right? Navbar equal to, that is the fat arrow function, and return some JSX, element. Okay, now we need to export it, so that we will import in parent component. Okay, so navbar we need to export here. I already exported, and go to the main file app.js. This is app.js is the main file, right? So here we will import this one, like this, and here in the top import navbar from where / current directory inside the component navbar. Okay. Remove this line and import here react library. Import react from react. Okay, so now we need to design the navbar. Okay, navbar. So save it. I already saved here. Just write the h1 file, that is the navbar. Okay, save it and go to the UI. Minimize this one. Hide. Okay, refresh the page. Navbar is not displaying. Why? Why it's not displaying? Control F, format the top. Yeah, yeah, navbar it's showing. Okay, so this component is created, and go to the material bootstrap EMDB inside the EMDB, because we have used the EMDB library, right? So we will design. So EMDB design, we will go to the EMDB design. Here search navbar, navbar, search the navbar. So I want to like this. Okay, I want to like this navbar. Go to the code, so code, and here we need to import some libraries. We need to import some libraries. That just copy and paste here. All these library we need to use in our components. Okay, and copy this code, all this one inside the router code and paste here. Okay, paste here. Control Shift F, save it, save it. Just change here, change the name here. CRUD operation. CRUD. Here, this is the header, right? This is the header. Navbar brand name here I am putting, and one link just now. As of now, I am adding only slash route here, and that is called home. That is home name. As of now, we will remove all these one. Remove this one only. Remove this one, and drop down we don't need. This item we don't need. We don't need. And as of now, search also we don't need. Right? Search also we don't need. As of now, search also we don't need. And here I'm putting the right. As of now, I'm putting left. Just go to the UI, save it. Here some error are coming. Cannot resolve MDB React. Cannot resolve MDB React. Why? I think MDB React not installed here. Okay, MDB library not installed. Just go to the terminal, open the new terminal, and just npm install MDB React. MDB React. Wait for some times. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. 1 minute. Okay, it will take only 1 minute. That is depend on your internet speed. So my internet speed is good. Wait for a few minutes. Okay. Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. It will take couple of minutes. MDB still not installed. Guys, we'll back after the install. Yeah, guys, now it's installed. Yes, it's installed in our project MDB React. MDB React. We will import it MDB from React. Okay, now it's installed. Save it and go to the UI. I think there are some errors. Go to the inspect. Click on console. Here are some errors. What is the error? In the navbar, remove all those things we don't need as of now. Save. There are some errors. Cannot find property undefined reading toggle collapse. Toggle collapse. Okay. Remove this method as of now. Save this one, and we need to remove this one also, because as of now we don't created anything here, any methods. Save it. Refresh the page. there are some another error, invalid hooks. Hooks are not only called inside the body. Where is the hook? Where is the hook? Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, so first we need to import another library here. Import. We need to add a router also. Okay, import something from where React router DOM. React router DOM. We need to import it here. Route, and another is routes, routes. Okay, and wrapped this one also inside the routes. Not no. Here we need to create some routes file. Routes, inside the routes we need to create another route and path. What is the path? That is the slash, and element is home component. Okay, element is home component. But as of now I don't created any component here. First import it. Import react from react library. Okay, const create the home component. home component create the home component also. Return return fragment. Inside the fragment return one h1, that is called home. Okay, and export it, so that export default, so that we will import it in our parent component. Here export it, save it, go to the app.js, import here, import something, import home component from dot slash where inside the pages I have created, right? Inside the pages I have created home component. Save, and save this one also, save it, and go to the index.js. We need to import another library, browser router. Okay, import something from react router DOM. Something from react router DOM. In the previous video I already explained the router concept. Okay, so browser router, we need to import it in the our main component in index.js, and wrap the whole our parent component. Our parent component is the app.js. Inside the app.js multiple component we will import it, but that as of now that is the main component app.js, and we have wrapped app.js inside the browser router. So router routing functionality applied in the whole components, whatever components we will add inside the app.js. Okay, so now another error are coming. So first we need to fix the error. Invalid hooks. All hooks can only be called inside the body of the functional component. This could happen for one of the or following reason. You might have mismatching version of React renderer, React DOM. You might be breaking the rules of hooks. Okay, this error are coming. Some package missing here. React library. Which version we have? What is the version React it will work? Go and check the version of React. Step 5. Inside the router, not routes. Browser router as a router. I already imported the browser router also from React router DOM. Index.js I already added the router. So copy this one, this line, wrap the whole thing here to here. Instead of browser router, you can use the router. Okay, save it. Yeah, go to the terminal. Go to the terminal and close this one. Close the terminal first. Close the terminal. Control C. Control C. Control C. So that we need to restart the server first. We need to restart the server. We need to restart the server. We need to restart the server here. Here screen. Here start the server again. npm start. Wait for a few minutes. After starting server, we will back. Okay, guys. Now server is running. Now server is running. Go to the UI. There are some errors. Invalid hooks. Hooks can call inside the body of function of component. That is some error. It's error coming from this library. So instead of MDB enabling, we will use our link, whatever provided by the React Router DOM. Okay. From React Router DOM, we need to import the link here from React Router DOM and use the link instead of MDB nav link instead of this. Save this one and remove this library. We don't need. Save it and yeah, refresh it. Yeah, now it's coming, but it's not coming properly. Okay, some CSS problem. So just go to the MDB React document and copy some library, this one, copy and paste inside the index.js file. Paste here. Some CSS file we need to add so that CSS will reflect it. CSS will reflect. Yeah. Now it's displaying properly. Close this one. See, now it's coming. If you click on home, if you click on feature, so it's coming like this. So go to the navbar.js, change this one instead of this. Just as of now, I'm adding this one only. Save it, refresh. Yeah, now it's coming. If you click on feature, so it's coming to feature route. If you click on home, so it's coming home routes. And remove this active item here, active here, and just here instead of left, right, put here right, and see this is coming from right side. Okay, and it's not coming. We need to make as a white color. So here provide the color. I'll provide the style here. Provide the style equal to inline style color add hash FFF means white. Add the color white. Not reflected. Cut this one and paste inside the item. Paste inside the item. Paste. Save it. Refresh. Not reflected. Why not reflected? The link. If I'm adding inside the link. Yeah. Add inside the link. Not here. Inside the link. Add inside the link. Inside the link. Add the style color. Okay. And if you are able to see here in the between of home and feature, there are no space. So here we will add padding. We will add here add style padding 10 pixel. I'm adding padding 10 pixel. Where we need to add inside the item. If I am adding inside the item, so how it looks like. Yeah, looks like. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine. If you click on home, So it's coming home, and okay, and go to the home, go to the home, close all these things, close all these things, go to the home. We need to design the home components as well. Okay, we need to design home component as well. Just open the div and go to the mdb react library, search the table, because we need to display uh, these item, we need to display these item inside the table, right? When we make a one api call, so we need to display inside the table. Search the table here, and which table we will use? We will use like this table, like this. There are lot of tables, lot of tables. Search again, tables, for table, table pagination. We will use table pagination like this. Okay, like this we need to use. Just go to the code and follow the instruction. See, he want to add one JSON. This data coming from where? From API. Okay, and this is the row. This data coming from API, and just we need to use only HTML part. Go to the down and use this line. Okay, return, copy this one and paste here. Control V, paste here, and we need to import this one also, right? We need to import mdb data table. Mdb data table. Go to the top. Go to the top and copy this one. Import mdb data table from mdb react. Okay, this is the script, bordered small table and data. This data coming from where? This data coming from here to here. So first we need to create one state. First we need to create one state here. We will use state, use state, use state, use state. First time it will empty. Okay, first time it will empty. What is the data? Product data, I think, right? This is the product. This is the product. So first product data. First time it's coming like this, and set product data. Okay, set product data. Okay, set product data. So first we need to install another library for making the API call. So that is called Axios. Okay, so first we need to install Axios also. npm I Axios. Import Axios from Axios. Okay, so when our UI is loaded, UI is loading, at that loading time we need to call API for getting the data. So in that case we need to use one life cycle method that is called use effect, which is provided by hooks. Okay, so use effect one life cycle hooks. It will take one callback function, one callback function, one callback function, and the second parameter is a empty array. Okay, so call here. We need to create one separate method for uh, get product data like this, and call here Axios. Use capital letter Axios. Okay, Axios dot get go to the postman, copy the URL, copy the URL, paste here, copy the URL and paste here, and second parameter, not second parameter. Okay, dot then we will get dot then we will get result. We will get result here. Console.log, console.log, console.log. First we need to display console.log data coming or not. Okay, so this is the result. We need to console it first. We need to console it. and here call this method inside the use it, save it. Actually, there are some error coming because data not populated here. So just as of now, comment it, and go to the UI, hide this one, go to the UI and see, go to the inspect, console.log, and first refresh the page. So as you can see, yeah, three data are coming. Okay, data are coming. This one, this data are coming. And if you go to the network tab, and see one API called, is called, that is the URL, and that is the get method. Okay, and it is the coming response data, right? Response data are coming inside the console. You can get a result dot data. If you see, if you can get result dot data, if you put the result dot data and refresh, see, you are able to get original data whatever available inside the API. Okay, so result dot data we need to set, where we need to set product data, set state, we need to set state, okay, we need to set state. So you get inside the state response data, we will get inside the this one. Okay, so after getting the data, we need to modify some array. Okay, we need to modify the data we need to display inside this one, right? So first go to the library, and we need to design like this data, like this, so that we are able to display. We need to copy all these things, first. Copy the object first, and paste inside the above, and remove this array first. Original data we need to remove. Oh, sorry. Row data we need to remove. First. Row, as of now I'm using empty, and here column we need to add something like this. What is the column we needed? First we needed the name. First we need name, ascending descending, that is the width. We don't need that is the width. Okay, second is first name, second column is description, DSCRIPTI1 description, and key we need to use this one, ascending to 70. Okay, width we need to use 70, and third is price. Here I see label, it will display, and that is the key, whatever key coming from the API. Okay, and fourth column is color. Fourth column is color, that is the field, and color. And remove extra column, remove the extra column, we don't need extra column here. Okay, this is the initial data, okay. After getting this, you can make as a where, you can use a where. After getting data, we need to set here, how we can set here data. We need to set here const we will use inside the API, and inside the row we need to pass this one, we need to assign inside the data, inside the row we need to assign, save it, and uncomment this one, go to the UI. I hope it will display. Yeah, data is not defined, okay, data is not defined. Why? Okay, Correct. Data is not defined. So we will set inside this one. Okay, we will set here, not here. We will set inside this state. 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 Remove this one. Remove this one. We will set inside this. Inside this. Okay. Inside this and state initially we will use as object. As object. And here we will open the one object curly braces here and close here. Okay, close here, control shift F, format this one, and product data we will use here. Here. Okay, save it. Yeah, now it's a display. Now it's a display. Okay, refresh this one. Yeah, but if you can see here, the name header, column header, it's coming 2 times. Column header coming 2 times. Data, 3 data are there. Data are coming properly, but header coming 2 times. Why it's coming 2 times? Data coming 2 times. So here inside the initial state, we will send the column. We will send the whole column. Okay, and after that rows coming as empty inside the state. After getting the data, after getting the data, we will pass like this. We will pass using spread operator. We will pass using spread operator. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will show you like this. This is the product data, and after that, we will pass this one. Okay, remove, save it. It's coming 2 times. After 2 times. Product data dot columns dot product data dot columns. Okay, as of now we will leave it. As of now we will leave it. So that is the I already integrated one API here, get API. Okay, and so inside the table. And next video we will meet next video. We will create another page for add product. Here I am creating another tab, and we will create another one tab, add product. When you click on the add, so it will open one form. After filling the form, same data we need to add inside the table. Okay, so we will integrate in the next video post API call. Okay, so we will meet on the next video. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching my video.